Next topic in our arrangement is polygon. Now, what is polygon? Polygon are being taught in just S2 class. At least that's when you are introduced to polygon in secondary school. So it's not something very strange. It's something we are already familiar with. Polygon, we know, is a geometric shape that is at least bounded by 3 lines. Polygon can be defined as a geometric shape that is bounded by at least 3 lines. Yes, that's the definition. At least it must be bounded by 3 lines. Bounded by 3 lines for us to see a shape as a polygon or a geometric shape. Sorry, I did not put shape here. Geometric shape. Geometric shape that is bounded by at least 3 lines. Now, that tells you that a triangle is a polygon. The triangle we've been discussing about is a polygon because it's bounded by 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So it's a polygon. Now, apart from types of polygon, if you want to look after triangle, which other type of polygon do we have? We still have quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, decagon, and nonagon and decagon. Now, that is the classification of polygon based on the number of sides they have. Now, we have types of polygon. We have a regular polygon. It's a polygon in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So that such polygon is a regular polygon. Then we have also a convex polygon. It's a polygon in which none of the interior angle is more than 180 degrees. And we have reentrant. This one, reentrant polygon. This is a polygon in which one of the angles is more than 180 degrees. It could be 181, 182, 190, 200, 230, 250, 280, so on and so forth. Now, but this kind of polygon is not our business, much of our business. Now, we know that in any polygon, we must have interior angle and exterior angle. Let me use diagram to illustrate that. Let's use a typical pentagon to illustrate what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is what we call pentagon. Why? Because it's bounded by 5 sides. Yes, 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know that in any, as I said earlier on, that any polygon has interior and exterior angle. Now, all this angle here. Okay, let's call here A. Let's call here E. Let's call here D. Let's call here F. Let's call here G. All these angles are what we call interior angles of the polygon. Why are they interior angles of the polygon? They are interior angles of the polygon because they are founded inside the polygon. Why this angle here? Let's call here H. And let's call here K. And let's call here Q. And let's call here S. And let's call here Y. The angle Q, H, K, Y, S are exterior angles of the polygon. Why? Because they are found outside the polygon. Not before. In any regular polygon, exterior angle plus interior angle equals 180 degrees. Why? Because they constitute angle on a straight line or adjacent angle on a straight line. This A plus H has formed half a circle, which is angle on a straight line. This D plus K has formed a semicircle, which is angle on a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Take note of that, please. Now, let us go on. How do we find the interior angle? Supposing we want to find sum of the interior angle of a polygon. How do we do that? There's no big deal. It's a simple formula. Now we say that some of the interior angles of a regular polygon is given by sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is given by bracket n minus 2, you multiply it by 180 degrees, or you say it is 2n minus 4 bracket 90 degrees, where n is the number of sides. Where n is the number of sides. Where n is the number of sides. Now, of course, personally, I stick to this one because it is simpler. N minus 2 bracket 180. Whatever is the side, you subtract minus 2 from it, multiply it by 180. You get the total angle inside the polygon. Now, polygons are classified based on their number of sides, which we are going to list down here. In the tabular form. We have shift it so that some polygons and then maybe now it's a polygon, number of sides, name. Now number 1 is triangle. Sorry, I say some angle. I mean, here should be some angle. Polygon. Name of polygon. Okay, let me put it this way. Name of polygon. Number of sides, some angle. Some angle. We will see how we get this some angle later on. Now, let's look at triangle. What is the number of sides? 3 sides. What is some angle? 180 degrees. Now, this is number 1. Number 2 kind of polygon. You say quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. What is the number of sides? 4. What is the some angle? 360 degrees. Now, after that, we have what we call number 3 type. It's kind of polygon. You get a pentagon. Number of sides is 5. Some angle is 540 degrees. Now, number 4 is hexagon. Number of sides is 6. Some angle is 720 degrees. Now, number 5 is heptagon. Number of sides is 7. Some angle is 1080 degrees. Now, number 6 is octagon. Octagon. Number of sides is 8. What is some angle? 1240. 1260. Okay. Now, what the next seventh one is nonagon. Nonagon, 9-sided. Nonagon. Number of sides is, it has 9 sides. Now, what is the sum angle? Sum angle of a nonagon. You see that you have 1440. Now, the last one we are going to stop here is number 8, and it is called decagon. And number of sides is 10. And the sum angle is 1620. 1620 degrees. 1440 degrees. So these are the kind of polygon we have based on the number of sides, and here are their sum angle. How do we get all this angle? We are going to look at it one by one. Now, for example, for a pentagon, comma, n is 5. Yes. How do we calculate the number of sides? We say that sum angle of a polygon equals bracket n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. So since n is 5, it implies bracket 5 minus 2 by 180 degrees, which is equal to what? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 degrees give us 540 degrees. That is how we got some angle of a pentagon. Now for hexagon, it's not something hard. Bracket 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 6 minus 2 is what? 4. So 4 times 180 degrees is equal to what? 720 degrees. So on and so forth for the rest. So calculating some angle of a polygon is as simple as A, B, C, D. Now this one say a regular polygon has its interior angle as follows. A regular polygon has its interior angle angles as follows. Bracket 2x plus 30 degrees, comma, 3x plus 50 degrees, comma, 5x plus 20 degrees, comma, 4x plus 18 degrees, comma, 2x plus 32 degrees, comma, 4x plus 10 degrees, comma, 2x plus 40 degrees, comma, x plus 50 degrees, comma, and 4x plus 50 degrees, comma. Full stop. they say find the value of x. Find the value of x. I. Calculate each angle of the polygon. Calculate each angle of the polygon. This is a typical question. Now, for us to solve the problem, there is one thing we have to know. We have to count, you know that the number of angles in polygon determines the number of sides it has. So in this case, we have to know the number of the sides of the polygon, first of all. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence, that polygon is a nonagon. And we say that some angle of polygon is equal to bracket n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. Now, since it is nonagon, which means 9 sides, this now implies that we have bracket 9 minus 2 bracket 180 degrees, and the 7 times 180 degrees, which means 0 times 7 we know is 0. 8 times 7 we know it is what? 7 times 7 is 49, 56. You write 6, carry 5. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So we have 1,260 degrees. That is the total angle of the polygon. Now, after that, now, all we have to do is to add this and equate it to this 1,260. Let's go on. We have 2x plus 30 degrees plus 3x plus 50 degrees plus 5x plus 20 degrees plus 4x plus 18 degrees plus 2x plus 32 degrees plus 4x plus 10 degrees plus 2x plus 40 degrees plus x plus 50 degrees plus 4x plus 50 degrees, and is equal to 1,260 degrees. Yes. Now what we have? Let's add the x together. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 10x plus 5x is 10x. Plus 4x is 14x. Plus 2x is 16x. Plus 4x is 20x. Plus 2x is 22x. Plus x is 23x. 23x plus 4x is 27x. Let's go on. Again, 2x plus 3x is 5x. Plus 5x is 10x. Plus 4x is 14x. Plus 2x is 16x. Plus 4x is 20x. 20x plus 2x is 22x. 22x plus x is 23x. 23x plus 4x is 27x. So we have 27x plus. We now have 30 plus 50 is what? 30 plus 50 is 80. 80 plus 20 is 100. 100 plus 18 is 118. 118 plus 32 is 150. 150 plus 10 is 160. 160 plus 40 is 200. 200 plus 50 is 250. Plus 50 is 300. So we have 27x plus 300 equals 1,260 degrees. Yes. So now we collect like terms. We see that 27x equals 1,260 degrees minus 300 degrees. Now 1,260 minus this is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 3 cannot work. Now, so 12 minus 3 is what? 9. We have 960. So 27x is equal to what? 960 degrees. So how do we do this? We divide both sides by 27. And this gives us x equals 960 degrees all over 27. Now, how do we divide here? We say 3 here is what? 9. 3 here is 3. 3 here is 2. And 0. So this is equal to 320 degrees all over 9. 320 degrees all over 9. That's the answer. You can break further if you like, but that will leave us to fraction. Let's take it the way it is. So for us to get the value of the angle, all we have to do is to multiply this by x and add to this, please. You can do that at your convenient time. It's not something impossible to do. Something very, very possible. So we go to our next topic, which is mensuration.